Alright, welcome back, ladies and gentlemen, to the Chupacabra Tutorials channel. I'm your host, Larry, and today I'm going to talk to you about how you can play a map that you've downloaded off of the Minecraft Bedrock Marketplace. How do you load that up and actually play it, as opposed to just buying it? So, like, as a good example, let's say I'm going to check out the Crystal Palace, which is a ray tracing free preview if you have an NVIDIA graphics card. And I'm going to download that by clicking the free button and purchasing it and hitting download. And this will download this to my computer so I can use it. Now, normally, to use this world, you just hit the button here to create this world. And that will allow you to set it up, name it, whatever, and then load into it, and everything's hunky-dory. But if you accidentally clicked back or you closed Minecraft after purchasing and didn't set up a world, all you need to do is go to play, you go to create, and then you have these world templates that are the ones that you own. So you can click on see more, and you can find the one in this list by just scrolling. You can also search for it if you know what it's called, but I know it's the one with the dragon picture here, Crystal Palace. You can click on it, and then similarly, once it's downloaded on your computer, you can create this world by simply clicking create the world. You can name it something. Well, actually, I guess it wants me to use the same name with all these pre-made settings. But you can do some tweaking. You can enable or disable fire spread or TNT explosions, all that good stuff. You can make it multiplayer if you want. You can also tweak the, well, you can't really tweak the texture packs in here, but you can also adjust some of the other settings in here. And then once you're ready, you can click create, it'll create the world, and then it will load you into it as well, so you can go and explore and enjoy this Crystal Palace experience. So that'd be it for this one, ladies and gentlemen. I've been your host, Larry. Don't forget to like and subscribe. And until next time, yeah, this has been how you can create and load a world from a purchased template off of the Bedrock Marketplace. I hope you found this helpful. I've been your host, Larry, and bye.